Suyun güzelliği harika.
Hello everyone from İncesu Canyon.
Wow, did you see that place? We will be walking until there. And it is just the start of the canyon. Let's go!
You were blowing up, grounded at the starting gate again. And no one was
This pathway is really safe to walk because they put these barriers here for the falling debris not to fall.
you can see it even
Wow, the water is really nice. It's not that cold and it's not warm. It's just cool. Okay, can you see how this protector is really helpful? Because can you see it is now deformed because of the big rocks falling down.
Cause you defeated failure. You can enjoy the ride. You can't be blamed for everything you try. Now
You can see the Skylax at the end of the bridge, which is known as the Mother of the Mountains.
You can see the sands here. Look. Buhangin talaga ito. Mainit yung sand. So, nilagpasan na namin yung bridge. Lagpas na kami doon sa pinakang bridge na nakadikit sa canyon. So, more than 2,000 meters na kami naglalakad.
you can see it even if it's fading. Thanks to people you don't even know. Now you can see it even if it's fading. Thanks to people you don't even know.
I am among with the goats! We're crossing the river now.
Bye!
We just continue to walk following these goats until we met this group, the Yeşilırmak group.
İncesu Kanyonu'nda yaklaşık 3 kilometre falan yürüdük. Manzaramız işte böyle. Müthiş.
Çok güzel.
Yürümeye devam edelim mi?
Evet. Tabii
Okey.
ki, tabii ki.
Okey. Haydi devam o zaman.
Hadi devam.
Yine sulu alana geldik. Hi, merhaba köpek. Yine kanyonun güzel manzaralı yerleri.
Wow, another adventure. This is really awesome. This Incesu Kanyonu is really long. Actually, this canyon is 13 kilometers long, but we are now walking maybe until here, 6 kilometers, halfway going there, but we are already walking for 3 hours just coming here. So we ended up here in this beautiful place. We met one group, the Yeşilırmak group, and then they took photo with us. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to continue supporting us on our YouTube channel. Thank you everyone!